This Detroit diesel engine control module came out of a Freightliner with a DD13, DD15, or DD16 engine installed. ERD actually uses this exact module in our Cascadia Test Truck, which we use for our CPC4 Road Tests. We rebuilt this ECU and then verified it was communicating as shown on the scope that's monitoring its communication channels. At ERD, we work on a wide range of engine and control modules for a variety of trucks manufactured by several major brands, such as Freightliner, Volvo, and International. If you have a need for a repair on a truck module, please reach out to us.